Ira had always been a quiet girl, lost in her imagination. While other children played outside, she spent hours drawing tiny worlds on paper, places that didn't exist, but felt more real than anything. She believed that one day, her art could speak louder than words. But as she grew older, people around her started changing. They stopped believing in dreams. Her parents wanted her to study accounting. Her friends found real jobs, and everyone told her, "Art won't feed you, Ira." Still, every night, she sat by the window with her sketchbook. The city lights shimmered below her, and she whispered, "Even if no one believes in me, I'll keep painting until my heart stops." Weeks turned into months. Ira applied for small exhibitions, sent portfolios, even tried selling her art online. Nothing worked. Each rejection felt heavier than the last. Some nights, she cried quietly, wondering if maybe everyone was right. Her paintbrushes dried. Her hope faded. Then one evening, she passed by a mirror and barely recognized herself. Her eyes looked empty, not from failure, but from fear. She asked her reflection softly, "Why am I scared to try again?" Outside, thunder rumbled, and in that sound, she heard her own voice, hidden deep inside. "Because you still care." And that was enough to make her pick up the brush again. One morning, she decided to paint at the local park. She didn't care if anyone watched. She just wanted to feel free again. As the sun rose, light fell on her canvas like a blessing. Passers-by stopped, curious. An old woman approached slowly and said, "These colors, they remind me of hope." Ira smiled for the first time in weeks. Someone felt something from her art. It was just one person, but it was enough to remind her why she started. That night, she wrote in her journal, "I don't paint for fame. I paint so no one feels alone in their pain." And that sentence became her new beginning. Ira began sharing her drawings online. Not perfect, not polished, just honest. She spoke about her failures, her fears, and her dreams. To her surprise, people began to listen. Messages appeared. "Your art made me smile today. I was about to quit, but your story gave me hope." Soon, she wasn't alone anymore. Her small community grew. People from all over the world, each carrying their own pain, each finding a piece of healing in her colors. One day, a small art magazine featured her work under the title, "The Girl Who Painted Hope." When she saw it, tears filled her eyes. Not because she was finally seen, but because she had never truly disappeared. Years later, Ira looked at her old sketchbooks. The pages were messy, the colors uneven, but each one carried a story of survival. She smiled and whispered, "I failed 1,000 times, but I only needed one reason to stand again." She turned to the camera, to you, and said, "Whatever your dream is, protect it. People will laugh, they'll doubt, they'll tell you to stop, but listen carefully. Their words don't define you. Your courage does." Then she walked outside, holding her newest painting, a bright sunrise over a stormy sea.